Huh? Nah, I'm about to cut this shit, nigga. You think I'm playing? Yo, I'm about to cut all this right here. Look. I'm about to cut my hair. It's time. Everybody keep thinking I'm playing when I somebody cut my hair. It's time though. Like, I just want new growth. This shit grows back anyways, bro. Nobody ever sat here, cut my hair. My shit never grew back. It's gonna grow back though. I'm about to cut all this shit right here. Cutting all this. All this right here to my ear. Probably a little high. Yep, to my ear. You think if I put it to my ear, I could put a bun still?
No.
No?
Never gonna happen.
Never gonna happen?
This is your ear right here.
No, my ear's up right here.
Okay. Look how short.
Okay, just a little lower. Like under the ear.
Turn to your side.
She's cutting my hair. Don't start pulling my hair
no,
like that.
Don't you start moving.
Don't you start moving.
Just cut enough. It's time. I had to cut my hair. You know how? You know the last time you was the one that cut my hair last time when my mom lived on Harvest. That's the last time. Yeah, Titi.
No, Mama. The last time I cut your hair is when we were in Pennsylvania. That y'all went to that bootleg people.
I forgot.
They fucked up your hair.
I forgot. Wait.
Remember?
Yeah, I forgot.
Because you literally couldn't wait. I told Dad to wait until I get out of work, and Daddy want to wait.
Yeah, I'm doing a big chop, bro. Everybody think I'm playing when I saw I was doing a chop. It's time for new growth. Y'all need your haircut. My aunt's the best. She know how to blow dry. She know how to do all of it. And this is why I hate my hair. You see how dry it gets?
Don't call me.
You said what? Don't call you what?
You said my aunt knows how to do all this. I was like, don't call me. Trying to do this for family.
Oh, people gotta pay. What you mean? They gotta pay. Ain't no free shit. Ain't no free 99. But you see, but you see how dry it is though? It's dry. Like, I try to find so many products to put in my hair. My homegirl told me to try like the African conditioner shampoo. Yeah, I stopped playing with me. I try to do the
Tú sabes lo que te pasa a ti, Ana.
Here we go.
I'm gonna tell you like this.
What?
You wash your hair every day.
No, I don't. I haven't. You know the last time I even washed my hair was like a month. I haven't washed my hair. Yeah. I don't let my. I don't care. Yeah, I never. Oh, she got me looking crazy, bro. Please do not take a picture of me. Screenshot this shit. Type shit. Hell yeah, it's gonna go back quick. That's why I'm not even worrying about it. You should go soak in my hair. Make me look like a vieja. I feel like I'm going to the salon. Ooh. Hey, y'all. Oh. My hair's nappy. New beginning, new growth. That's why. It's time. I've been needing to cut my hair for so long. She's starting to cut it.
You sure you want it short? Before I start.
Cut my hair, please.
Hasta aquí?
Which way I could still do a bun? I always got to maintain a bun sometimes. Short enough that I could do a bun still. I don't know. It depends. I was thinking about more to right here by my ear.
I already started.
I don't care. You cut it, you cut it. Then I tell you to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Everybody think I'm playing when I say I'm cutting my hair, man. It's time. I've been debating for weeks. Plus, my hair's damaged. My ends is damaged, but I don't take care of my hair.
Your head is damaged and you don't change your brain?
Oh, damn. You ain't had to do me like that. You see how my aunt be doing me out? I thought it was her favorite niece. Cut it. I look crazy. Damn, you got me on this like crazy, girl.
Espérate, mamá.
She really cut it already? Yeah, she did. I can't see it yet. Damn, it got bright as hell in here. Look good, cuz. Okay. Who said I need to go pay the salon when I got my aunt? I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson. Hi, Jay. Don't say nothing, Jay, because I already know. What, Jay? It's too late. I'm already cutting it. And I don't regret it. What, Jay? What you got to say? I'm like a viejita with all these moños. Cause I want new growth. New growth. And get rid of all the negativity in this head of mine.
To do that, you gotta change your brain.
Alright, D. Stop coming for me.
I'm just saying.
I'm not gonna change my brain. Let me cut the hair first and then change the brain. My heavens. And this why, yeah, stop playing with me. And that's why I hate having long hair, because it's just so dry. Like, my hair dries up so fast. I just got out the shower, and I dried my hair, and then this shit just gets dry as fast. He was, I didn't even write my best friend in here. She gonna get mad.
Hoy la pernilla esta está bellaca.
Told you, Tiana, I'm cutting my hair. You don't believe me, right? Cut it. Cut it. Now it's cut it all off, right? But you was just saying I don't cut it all off. Girl, bye. Who crying? Don't do me, because I cried last time. You ain't got to do me like that. Don't got to do me like that, sweetheart. I know you have. I've been needing to. I've been telling you for the longest. Ooh, shit. Cut it. Cut it. Damn, how is it hot outside? Shut up, Sienna. I need my hair sometimes. Felix, you wanna cut your hair? Yo, whoever that barber was, bro, I definitely fucks with his cut. Yeah, I like the way he cuts, though. I ain't gonna hold you. It was crazy. It was just that moment, because I was just telling my mom I needed a haircut. Oh, she's cutting it. Cutting it short. She's cutting it short. I'm not gonna put her in the live, man. I look crazy. She don't want to be on a live. You'll see after. I got a before and after picture. Maybe. I don't know yet. I have to test it out if I can still do a bun. Got it. Got it. I ain't in now. I'm gonna keep moving it. I know you probably don't want to be in the camera, so. Cut it. Cut it. Hi, Kaylee. I can see you. Don't worry, y'all. You should have had done a brush cut. Girl, I wanted to, but I am not that stupid. Everybody say I got a big head for that. I can't do a brush cut, so never mind. Why you put that face, Kaylee? You know, I feel less weight on my hair right now. Hi, Mara. I just want a new growth. Jesus. Nah. I want new growth. That's it. I want to start over again with my hair. Let it grow. Every time I cut my hair, it's like now my hair's been dry. Like, it's been bad. I've been trying to find products for my hair, but now that I cut it, now I can probably find different products. Meanwhile, I could take care of my hair finally. I need to learn how to take care of my hair. I don't take care of my hair. No, not at all. You crazy? I'm cutting it short, though. You'll know when I post a picture. How short? I got a before and after. I'm gonna do it before and after. Sorry, I keep moving the camera. Bitch, I'll cry if I cut all my hair off. I think that'll be the day I have to go through a depression, or I gotta go through some crazy shit to chop this fucker off. Yo. Don't be grabbing me like that. Yo, get your mom, bro. Get your mom. Pulling me like that.
Remember, I got your hair in my hands.
Oh, never mind. All right, we go. We cool now. We cool. Don't gotta get so mean. What you cooking today, T?
Leftovers from yesterday.
You heard that, Felix? Leftovers from yesterday. What you playing? All right, love you too.